Start for Future is an initiative of international entrepreneurial universities of EUAcceL and Tandem Plus and EIT knowledge and innovation communities of urban mobility and manufacturing that align themselves with the UN SDGs to create a positive impact on shaping a better world. And we believe the best way to do is to support responsible entrepreneurs and talents who are to become the new leaders of our society, like you. How do we do this? Well, first, you gotta apply. Apply on what, you might ask, and rightfully so. Every year, our program is inspired by different themes in which many challenges can be identified and addressed. This year, they are circular economy, sustainable urban mobility, and manufacturing. So if you have an idea or a strong will to develop one in any of those directions as a team or individual talent, apply. Next, it's mix and match. In a global session, we all get to know each other, and if your team needs more hands on deck, you might find some awesome individuals that just can't wait to join the next global leader in whatever you happen to do. If you are an individual and you have an amazing idea, you might just excite some other talents to group together and turn your idea into the amazing reality it deserves. Once teams have found each other, it's all about your idea and to move it forward fast. And when we say fast, we mean it. In less than 3 months, our mix of experts from industry and business, plus coaches who are entrepreneurs themselves, will get your investor pitch ready. And to prove it, we'll give you the chance to present your idea, your prototype, your pitch, in front of a global group of incubators who, if convinced, might be taking you on as their next startup baby, Zebra. Oh, and one more thing. We'll also introduce you to our network of industry partners and policymakers for possible co-creation or customer acquisition. If that's not jump-starting your comet-like rise to the top, what is? Now, what are you waiting for? As we can't wait to have you with us on this epic quest to make the world a better place by turning your ideas into reality. Join us now.